Today's tip of the day is be aware of your emotions while trading. So whenever you trade and if the market doesn't go in your direction, you just get frustrated and agitated and you start banging the table down and you like yell at each other and cause disruption in your families. But that's not going to help change the market. The market's not going to change and move into your favor if you do anything like that. So just chill, calm down. It's okay. You have a stop loss, you have a mechanical approach of getting into the market and getting out of the market, and let that decide what is the outcome of the trade. Go back, revise, and learn from your mistakes. See what you did wrong, see what you could have done better, and let that be your learning path into becoming a better trader. So never get agitated or frustrated that the market is not working for you, but understand, analyze the market, and use mechanical approaches in trading to get in and get out. So I hope that was helpful. And again, be calm, stay chill. It'll work out. Start trading small and you will get there in the short run. So keep that in mind while you trade. And stay tuned to another video coming very soon.